Today we'll be teaching you how to spackle, sand, and paint little pinholes like these with the least amount of effort possible. With a little bit of blue tape, spackle. This is DAP. You can use any brand lightweight spackle. Easy sand, easy apply. So we start off by dimpling this little hole with the butt of a utility knife, putty knife, mud knife, whatever you got that will take care of that. Just a teeny little dimple. You're gonna protect the rest of the wall from that spackle and be able to paint as small of an area possible. That's how we're gonna keep from having to repaint this entire wall. Apply the spackle. All right, so it's been approximately a half hour. If your hands are clean, then when you're peeling the tape, you won't be leaving fingerprints behind. The less you leave behind, the better. Because again, the less you have to paint, the better it's gonna match. Or it's better it's gonna camouflage. Okay, so we got those little bitty squares left. So you take a little razor and you just lightly shave over that thing till it's nice and smooth. Okay, you can see there's hardly anything of that left right there. All you have to do is feather those edges enough with this sanding so that when you dab the paint on it, then that square doesn't show up, okay? Perfect. Wash your hands up real quick. And with them still just damp, you're gonna clean that powder and dust and just wipe your hand over it. It cleans the powder and dust and fingerprints and everything else. Helps kind of taper those edges on that sanding too. This is a perfect example of what not to do, and that's to use the wrong paint. Okay. Nope, still not the right color. Looks better than that other color. It's still not the right color. Son of a buck. We're back. I think we finally have the right paint. Give it a shot. Okay, I'm pretty excited about how this wall turned out. I saved a bunch of time and money by not having to repaint the whole thing. I think that about does it for the video today. If you learned something, please hit that like button. If you want to see our future videos, please push that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.